My name is Nitisha. I am from Tara Government College. Our topic for Jignasa is language dynamics and pharmacopoeia. And this is my team. Error is ever talkative. Thousands of people are dying due to the preventive medical errors. The complexity of this problem is enormous. From the survey conducted, we can come to know that 74,000 people are dying each year. Nearly every person will experience a diagnostic error in their lifetime. The diagnostic errors are mainly because the language differences between the patient and the doctor. The language consists of classical languages, which include classical Latin and classical Greek. So, for the patient, the prescription is completely Greek and Latin. Nowadays, everybody is familiar with the word COVID-19. But if somebody says you're diagnosed with SARS-2, nobody recognizes it. In the same way, the patient expects the doctor to write cancer in their prescription. But the doctor writes benign tumor or the malignant tumor. In the same way, many people visit eye specialists, but only few of them are well known about the word ophthalmology. So, it is important to have minimum knowledge about the terminology or the language involved in medical terminology. Usha continues.
For information, we hypothesized that very few people know the language in pharmacopoeia. By learning some root words, we can understand the language in pharmacopoeia. Root words helps to interpret the language in prescriptions. With some efforts, we can understand the technical words used in prescriptions. Aims and objectives: to know the percentage of people who can understand the language or prescription, to motivate them to learn few root words which can change their life, to make them understand the depth of medical errors. And Yogeshwar continues.
Doctors are ubiquitously equated with gods because they can and they only can save lives. FDA estimates that 1.3 million people are injured by medication errors annually in USA. 67,000 such errors have been occurred, resulting in 414 deaths. About 4 lakh drug-related injuries that happen in hospitals every year because of medication error. Every year, 7,000 to 9,000 Americans die as a result of medication error, which is stated by NCBI in 2021. FDA receives more than 1 lakh complaints every year associated with medical errors, which is stated in 2019. Monica continues.
We identify the problem, we wanted to know the solution. To this we review literature. While go through the research papers, we find out some errors. Here few of them are. Dilrashin Sheikh argues that annually 7,000 mortalities have been reported due to medicational errors. In India, medicational errors are mainly due to irrational use of medications. In India, many people take own medication for primary health issues, which may have many side effects. J.K. Aronson clearly explained about errors, what they are and how they happen and how to avoid them. McConnell identified 11 types of errors, which includes prescribing error, wrong time error, omission error, and dosage error. Soumya will continue.
Methodology. We generally call a doctor as a doctor instead of calling a physician, and we don't know the basic differences between the words acute pain and chronic pain. In this process, to know, we have issued 3 types of questionnaires for doctors, for patients, and for pharmacists. It has 3 parts, and every question has 4 options like strongly agree, agree, disagree, and strongly disagree. And questions are like size of the font which make reading tough, and most of the people agrees this. And there are some random questions regarding project. And this is questions. And also we made a pie chart of our analysis for each and every question for better understanding. Dukha will continue.
We administered questionnaires among the people. After analyzing and hypothesizing, we came to conclude that everyone need to improve their medical vocabulary and know root words. Learning few terms saves our lives. It required less effort, but the rewards are worthwhile. The respondent learned the list of words, and now they could easily understand almost all the words related to pharmacopoeia. Thus, our hypothesis proved. But there are few limitations of our project. It took around 3 months of time, which is more time-taken process, and the data which is collected is more primary data and which is more subjective, and it is not applicable to illiterates. Thank you.